Here's my SMC OJ52V ceiling fan. This is a 4K 60 remake, but this is on my phone I have right now. Well, I might be getting a new phone for my birthday, so I think I'll do another remake with my new phone, like 2022 or something. The speaker on my phone's currently not working too well, so sometimes I have to put my phone close to my ear. So, yeah. The phone I have right now is an iPhone 8 Plus. My mom had it before, so yeah, but we'll see. Anyway, so I was gonna put the light shade on, but I can't because of I don't want to risk scraping the housing because I don't have all 3 screws for the light pan. But I'll take the light pan off when I do W&M with this, so I don't want this thing to scrape. So yeah. Anyways, hey, here is low, but I can't figure out how to wire the light, unfortunately, so bear with me here. I don't want to cause a short circuit or not. I don't want to cause a short circuits. That's why I'm scared to wire the light on this. Cause look, this red and the white wire both go to the light, and I don't want to wire those 2 wires up. I don't know if you would have to wire the white to the receiver and the red to the light kit. If that's true, I don't know. But if somebody has one of these, please let me know. Or some fan with 4 wires, like black, white, red, white, black, white, blue, white. So yeah. Anyways, that's the one flaw in the design. So anyways, here's low. Well, I use the Fanimation receiver, and I like the low speed that it puts out. Puts out a really nice low speed. A couple of the blades are loose. I don't know why. It's on the blade holders. This fan's also rebranded Casa Vieja Prob. I don't know if it uses the same motor or not, but it is the same design. I think Gene Lemieux told me that, or which is also his channel name is Les Ventilators de Quebec, because it's the French name, and because that channel's from Canada, and that fan collector actually comes from Quebec. So, yeah. So that's why his channel is Les Ventilators of Quebec, because it's kind of a big French community. And he said that the Sears actually sold these from 2004 to 2005, and this fan was from 2005. So yeah. Anyways, I think the low speed with the other receivers is 65 RPMs. I like a 55 RPM better though. These look like 55. I almost thought somebody was calling me. So anyways, here is medium. I'm not going to show live because it's not working like I said. Casa Vieja Pro has 3 wires compared to this. I like 100. Well, the medium speed on this is like 123 RPMs. Well, for 4-bladed fans, I'd prefer 120 RPMs for medium. 3-blade fans, I prefer 125. For 5-blade fans, I usually prefer like 120, 110. or 100 RPMs for medium. This is doing like 106 RPMs. And I like 106 RPM medium. But I do like but I do like the low speed. But I do like the whatever it is but I do like the medium speed that Remake or Super provides, and my Monte Carlo Vios provides. Monte Carlo Vios is kind of a slow fan, but I like the medium speed on it. And I don't like fast fans that much. Well, I don't like fast speeds that much, so I don't need it to be fast, so here's high. This thing's gonna wobble since it's one of the blades is kind of like out of clock or something. Wobbles a little bit. What time is it? I have my Apple Watch program for Mickey Mouse. I have silent mode on. It said it's 9:07. Can't hear it over the furnace. But it's blowing a lot of air on high. This is a good fan. Oh, I don't have one of the lock washers on. That's why it's wobbling. Gotta find the lock washer though. So yeah. And I am gonna plan to do W&M with this fan. If I have time. If I get around to it. Well, since I'm busy with online schooling. And here's spin down. Let's put it on high for a minute, 1 second. I'll put the stopwatch on. Because the spin down's really long. I gotta know how long the spin down is. Reset. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna track this spin down. The fan that has the shortest spin down time in my collection is the Monte Carlo Vios. That's because of the steep blade pitch. Spin down time might be a little shorter. Well, it was longer with the long down rod. I think the down rod might make a difference. Well, I looked at it and it said it was like 5 minutes long. Blades are pretty heavy. What was my stopwatch say? 1 minute. And it's 9:09 right now. Sure, a long spin down. Maybe this thing hasn't been ran in a while. That's why spin down might be a little quicker. Or shorter, I mean. The other thing I might start doing is keeping track of the spin down time, see how long it is. I know Fan Savvy 2004, aka Sam, he has a Hampton Bay carriage house too, and that one has the longest spin down time. Well, back when I had the playroom, back when this house was first built, when this house was renovated, but now it's the family room. It used to have a Hampton Bay Quick Connect in it, and that had a really long spin down time. I enjoyed screwing around with it when I was a kid. It's 2 minutes. Maybe I could have lost my imagination. I haven't ran this fan in a while. I do have a Harbor Breeze down rod on it. The original down rod was pretty long. The Builder's Best might have a long spin down time too. It might be even longer than this. I don't know. It's about 4 minutes and 1 second, so it's a pretty long spin down time. And let's reverse it. Back to low. It'll push, it's gonna take a while. Medium. I don't want the wire to fall down, so I'm going to show it on high for just a brief second. I'll just turn it off. And that is it. That is the SMC and that is it. That is the SMC ceiling fan. OJ52V, renamed Casa Vieja Prob. Thanks for watching.